We were having fun in the day trader room, battle stations. Interesting thing about this chart, and like I said, there aren't any econs to drive price, but this is a little bit suspect in that, well, it looks like a megaphone. So you see 1, 2, 3. Is that tagged? Looks awfully close. And 1, they went after the overnight lows early in the US session, typical liquidity pool hunt. And I was even sort of counseling the day traders, especially the aspiring day traders, guys like Justin, year after year after year. If you want to learn something from these videos, I think this is the free video that we're doing here. This is a really good example where, they almost always do this. They'll put a bottom in. You see, this is like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, my time. This is through Europe. The Americans open up, ding, 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 ding. They do their business. And the very first thing they do is they go after that liquidity pool. Let's go get some free liquidity. And then, boom, take the market right back up. And then we were, sitting there, contemplating how were they going to run this into these 4669s. This is also a really, really good lesson in previous days' trading ranges, where this was the trading range from Friday. And interesting enough, that was a value low level. So you can see how they brought the market up right into that level. And they said, well, do we really want to accept back into value? And if they did, then this is where if we accepted into value here, 80% of the time, we should actually go up to value high and test value high up there. So really good lesson here where the market rallied up, tested Friday's low end of the range and was rejected off of it on first blush, which is pretty typical. So no Hogia 80% play, but at the same time too, like I said, and this is not a bad area to take a short shot. If we reject, then we probably have to come right back down into trendline support, fibs, candle body lows for trade location, all that kind of fun stuff. And that's sort of what's going on right now. But as I said earlier, I don't really like to have a position on while I'm doing the daily brief. It's just too distracting. So anyway, all right. So that gives you sort of an idea what we were doing in the day trader room right out of the gate this morning, and it was cool to see. We had guys going long and short. Craig was running his CFU trading plan like a boss. Andrew actually has built this entire 7 a.m. Trading matrix. So we're having lots of fun talking about internals and price structure. It's a really enjoyable experience with the guys first thing in the morning.